Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club in NIT-A. My name is Gourab Singha and today we are going to solve 15th problem of Div.2 from A to Young Physicist. In this problem, you are given an ideal body and there are some forces that are applied to it in X, Y and Z direction. You have to find whether the body is in equilibrium or not. A body is in equilibrium if all the applied forces in a particular direction cancels each other. So we just have to find the resultant forces of each direction is equal to 0 or not. In input, we have to take an integer n, and for the next n queries, we have to take 3 integers, that is the force amount of x, y and z coordinates respectively. Now we have to store all the values of x, y and z and check at the end if each of them is 0 or not. So for that we have to create 3 variables outside the loop. And keep on adding the values. Lastly, we'll put a check condition. If they are all equal to 0, then we will print yes. That means the body is in equilibrium. Else we will print no. Let's now submit this. As you can see, this is accepted. That is it for the solution. Thank you.